Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Xbox One to your PC. So you're basically going to need three things. You're going to need an Xbox One, you're going to need a PC of some sort, and you're going to need a network connection. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your Xbox, and you need to make sure that your network connection is the same on your Xbox and on your PC. After you do that, click on Start, go all the way down until you run into Xbox Console Companion. Open this up. If you guys have never opened this application, it will do a tiny update, but it's really quick. So you're basically going to show up on this type of menu, and from here you're going to go to the left hand side. Right above settings, it says connection. Alright, so once you click on connection, you want to put add a device, and in this case it's my Xbox One. So I'll just click on it. Cool, so our Xbox One is connected. So you're going to see stream, test streaming, and more. So just click on stream. And right now it's connecting to the Xbox One. And yeah, you could basically see the dashboard for my Xbox, which is freaking great. So once again, the plus side of this is that if I have games that I have on my Xbox that I just don't have on my PC, I could basically play it on my PC, which is freaking awesome. I basically have my Xbox One remote connected to my PC. If you guys need a video on that, I got you. Anyways, we're gonna open up Skate just to make sure that everything's running good. That is so nostalgic. Well, anyways guys, hopefully this video does help you guys out. If it does, make sure you guys leave a comment below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Turn on those notification bells. I will be posting every Friday, and hopefully I continue creating videos that can help you guys out. If this does work out, by the way, which it should, make sure to send me a message on Xbox. I'll be more than happy to reply to you. I'll be more than happy to add you as a friend. And yeah, until then, peace.